greater satisfaction than being part of making sure that Kenyans are fed. It is a very important thing. You know how important food is. Farming is my passion.
Yes, guys, you just heard it from the President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Samuel Ruto. He said farming is his passion. I can say the same thing, that farming is my passion. It's my passion, sorry, and it is also my first love. So in the video today, I am going to be telling you two best farm animals that you can go into in Kenya this year 2026 and even beyond. Over the time, we have noticed that these farm animals are very, very good and they are profitable. As a matter of fact, the farmers are making a lot of money. This is me on my way to a particular farm, not in Kenya, but in Sierra Leone, because I love, you can see me there, I love what we call agriculture. The first farm animal is KNG, or what you call local fowl. But this time around, improved KNG poultry. The Caro improved KNG chicken has revolutionized local poultry farming in Kenya. These dual-purpose birds are disease-resistant. They mature faster than indigenous breeds and command premium prices. In fact, consumers prefer their meat quality, allowing farmers to sell mature roosters for 1,200 to 1,500 Kenya shillings. I tell you, poultry farming is good. Fertilized eggs also fetch high prices. This is important. So take note. And you can see these ones, they are free range KNG, free range local birds. Very, very important. Okay, one important thing is that this is so significantly more profitable than the conventional broiler farming in the Kenya context. So it is more profitable. So when I said you are going to make a lot of money rearing KNG, you think I was joking. No, I wasn't joking. I meant every bit of thing that I have been saying, because I always take my time to do research before coming on board or before coming on screen to address people, because I know a lot of you are watching, you are waiting for it. Thank you for watching. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I want you to go ahead, hit the subscription button to be part of this family. And here comes the second farm animal I am recommending. That is goats. Ideal for farmers with limited land. As a matter of fact, if you just have 50 by 100 plots, you can house 10 to 15 goats. These breeds called Toggenburg and Alpine breeds, Alpine, they produce 3 to 4 liters of milk daily. That is one important thing which I want West Africans to take note of. Our goats in West Africa, they don't produce milk except the ones to nurture kids, to nurture their babies. But the ones in Kenya, they produce milk. In fact, 3 to 4 liters of milk every blessed day. There is a Somali breed called Gala. Gala, I think I am very correct. That breed too, I heard it is very, very profitable and good enough. You can also rear it in Kenya. Can you imagine? So if you are a farmer or you love farming, you want to go into farming and you don't know what exactly to do, I am suggesting to you, try goats, try chicken. So guys, I love farming, like what you are seeing on the screen right now. That is me in a rice farm, swamp rice. Farming is good if you are able to provide food for yourself. If you are able to grow your own food, I tell you, you have advantage over many people. That's me driving over there, going to a farm because I love farming. Farming is my passion and is my passion. As I can also say, it is my first love. Guys, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, I want you to kindly click on the subscription button, the subscribe button, and also put on the notification bell so that anytime I drop my African content like this, you will receive the message, the notification first from YouTube. Till I come your way again, I say bye bye and God bless you.